So I am unboxing here a new thing that just arrived. It's from eBay. I think it's a German seller, but I'm not really sure. I don't really remember if it's a German seller or something Belgian, Holland, whatever. Anyway, I will put it down on the video later when I see it. Ah, it's DHL, so if it's DHL, it's definitely German. Deutsche Post, it says here. So it's from Germany. And let's see what it is. It's really well packed. Okay. The guy did a good job. That's good. And let's see what we find inside. A lot of extruded polystyrene, so very good packing job. You can see here. Very well packed from the seller. That's a good thing. Still and extremely well packed. It's all over with polystyrene, all around. And what do we have here? Yes, yes. Now I'm filled with polystyrene. That's what we have here. Okay, now I have to clean all this stuff. Wait a minute. So, this is a nice REVOX A77, and let's see how this opens. Opens like that. Okay, and now let's see what we have here. Okay, some signs here. Oh, so we have a pinch roller that has turned to goo, and that is why that thing here is so heavy, because all the goo has gone on this. Let me show you. Can you see the pinch roller here that is not existing? And this is hard here, which means that goo has gone inside. Let's see now. Okay. It is the version with its own speakers, It is the Mark II version because it has that thing here. Buttons seem to work fine. That seems to work fine. Okay. And now I will bring something to see if it is a 2-track or a 4-track. So let's see if it's visible what I can see here. So I don't know if you can see. So the machine is a 4-track machine. Let's see here. The same here. So it is a 4-track machine. Anyway, I will not turn it on now because I want to see the mechanism inside, if REVOX caps are exchanged and stuff like that. So I will first open it from the back and then see if something works or something not. Pinch roller, I think I can find cheap ones, so it's okay. And we will move on. REVOX caps not replaced. There, 1, 2, 3, 4. Resistors not burned, so possibly REVOX caps did not short circuit yet, but they will eventually anyway. All audio cards are present. Potentiometers of audio cards are replaced. Capacitors of power supply are not replaced. Motor capacitors are not replaced. Audio cards present. Capacitors, I have never seen these red ones, so they are not replaced. Okay. Taco sensor looks okay. Motor looks not stiff, so this is also okay. So now generally it looks clean and in good condition. Okay, apart from the pinch roller that is not there at all. I will see what I will do next. Well, although it's a dangerous thing to power this on using the original Rifa caps here, since I don't have ready replacements for this, I took the risk to power the thing on because I was too anxious to see what it works and what doesn't. I put that thing here to bypass the safety, and this is the machine. So, motor is working. This VU meter bounces, but this doesn't. This makes me think that this VU meter is not working. Play is noisy but works. Fast forward works. Rewind works. What I realized is that this reel here should turn backwards while in play, but it doesn't. I don't know why. I have to check this also. So it looks like that this VU meter is working, but this doesn't. Just have a look. Doesn't bounce at all. Okay. This work. Now I will put some signal in to see if input monitor works. So I put some Google free music, whatever, but then I can hear from the earphones, and we can see that this VU meter works, but this doesn't. I've heard that there is some way of building a new VU meter here by buying something from the internet cheap, and which fits in here and works perfectly. So that thing I'm gonna have to check. So input works. This work, that here work, because if I put this, you see, no signal, it's out. So generally my biggest problem is the pinch roller. I have some other REVOXes here, so I will place these here just to check what we have. I will have to replace the Rifa caps and then see from then what else I'm gonna have to do. So unfortunately, goo from the pinch roller is all over the place. You can see here. That's why this is not working. Goo has gone inside. I don't know if I will be able to clean it. Goo is also here, but fortunately it did not affect that one. And I'm sure there's here also, you can see, it's also goo from the pinch roller. Here on this cover here, I don't know if we can see it. Oh, and here it's all over this area here, so I will have to take out this board and see if I can clean it somehow. What else? Okay, now I will try and put a new pinch roller there to see how. Now I think it's a good. I will first have to clean my hands. Well, I did temporarily put another pinch roller here from I borrowed from my other machine. I'm not gonna show here how to replace that pinch roller because I have a video specifically for this. Generally, that thing works. Okay, it plays back fine. All the high frequencies are here according to my ear, but I'm okay with my ear. I'm old and I have lost some high frequencies, of course, but if I can hear them, I don't care if they are not there anyway. So, playback, it's okay. Recording, it's okay. I did try a test record and it's fine. Okay, and fast forward works. Fast rewind doesn't work, and it seems to be a problem with that motor. That is why maybe when I press play, can you see that it doesn't drag back as it should? You see? It doesn't. And looking at also that it doesn't drag back on fast rewind. Maybe a motor capacitor or something is a problem with this motor. I will have to check this. So our biggest problem is a pinch roller, this VU meter, this motor, and then a general service of everything, and I think this will be a perfect one.